The MG7 Super Mini Paver's compact design will change the way you pave utility cuts and do pothole repair. The MG7 Super's heated screed can lay asphalt from as little as 12 inches all the way out to over 6 feet. With a remote control, you can control the paving width, depth, and grade all in the palm of your hand. Low-flow operation of your skid steer is more than enough power to drive the entire machine. After a quick cleanup, you can fold your mini paver back up and put it on the same trailer with your skid steer. Imagine laying 15 tons of asphalt in around an hour without having to buy a full-size paver. Leave your shovels in the back of your truck and get paving with the MG7 Super Mini Paver.